Hi everyone, good evening. This is one Hannibal. This evening I'm gonna season my ribs. It's beef rib. It's a long time I haven't had any red meat. A little red meat now and again won't hurt. So went to the farmer's market and got myself some red meat, some beef ribs, and so I'm gonna wash, and for overnight I'm gonna season with salt and season garlic powder and onion powder and the usual. And then I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on it for overnight. I like to marinate my meat overnight so it can be well soaked, and when you marinate overnight it's also more tasty. So tomorrow I'll show you guys what's going on in one Honeybell kitchen. Bye. Mwah. Welcome back to our channel. It's so nice to be here with you again. I hope everyone is doing good, and we're gonna show you. Last night I marinated my ribs, my beef ribs, and now I'm gonna show you how pretty it is. It's this, and then I'm gonna put them into my foil pan. I have my oven at 450 degrees, and I'm gonna cover them in foil paper, and I'll cover it with foil paper and for about half an hour. I'll take it off, and when it's cooked and I test it after taking off the foil paper, I'll test it with my fork, and if it is cooked, then I'll remove the foil and I let it brown and have the pretty color that it's supposed to be. I know a lot of people do pork ribs, but I'm trying something a little bit healthier. I'm doing beef. So that's it, and I'll see you guys when it's cooked. So I finished putting them on, and I'm just putting all this goodness on it. I did add some crushed garlic to my seasoning, and some Italian seasoning that I put together. I told you I just got a bottle and put all like dry Italian season, parsley and cilantro and garlic, whatever they have mixed up. It's healthy. I read it before I really use it, and it's a healthy thing. Parsley and cilantro is good for you. So I'm just showing you what I'm doing right now, and I'll show you later, as I said before. So what I'm doing, my ribs, my beef ribs. I just took off the foil. It's almost cooked, almost finished. I turned it one time already, and I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna put it in and let it get a little brown. I'm gonna add some more barbecue sauce on it because I did season it up and marinate it, but it's very soft. If you look right here, I can take off the meat. So it's very soft. It's just for it to get some color now. So I'm gonna put it back in my oven, and if it don't get enough color that I desire, then I'm gonna take off the foil paper. Then I'll put a little more barbecue sauce. But so far that's it. Show you. Oh, I'm gonna eat. We want to taste it. We have a taste.
It's okay, guys. We're just, the process.
You can talk in there. I'm talking in there.
Oh, I am.
My mom had finished.
So, my mom finished the ribs. And now we're gonna get a taste test. Da-na-na.
So when I was talking, it was on. Okay, so we're going to take a little taste, Michaela and I, of my delicious ribs. It smells good. It tastes good. Mm.
I wonder what it tastes like.
And it's soft. You look, I caught it.
I already want to eat it
So,
now.
Kayla, I'll have to get another fork for you. Or for me. To let them know how it tastes. Come. Come, baby. Want this one cool? Make sure it's cool. So we're going to taste our barbecue ribs. Let's see. Okay, let's try.
3, 2, 1.
Tastes so good. So good. So, subscribe and like.
And hit the notification bell and follow us on Instagram. Bye.